How to delete old Windows Update files in Windows 11 and free up storage space. First, right-click the Start button and select File Explorer. In File Explorer, click This PC. Then open the drive where Windows is installed. This is usually the C drive. Next, open the Windows folder and find Software Distribution. Open it, then open the Download folder. This folder contains downloaded Windows Update files. To remove them, press Ctrl-A to select everything. Then click the Delete icon. If Windows asks for administrator permission, check the option to apply the action to all current items and click Continue. Once the files are deleted, open the Recycle bin, right-click it, and select Empty Recycle bin. Confirm the deletion to permanently remove these files from your PC. And that's it! You've successfully deleted old Windows Update files in Windows 11, which can help free up unnecessary storage space. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.